just a few weeks between Artem and Nikki Garcia, but a source tells us that the Dancing with the Stars alum doesn't want their 2-year marriage to end. A source tells us in the new issue.
Hey, this is the Turnbuckle King, Toss Ring Scandal, aka KDH. The Toss Ring Scandal's here. We're here to talk about Artem Chigvintsev Nabs legal wins in Nikki Bella divorce case. Artem wins case and proves Nikki wrong. You guys get to see the locker room. We are going to talk about it. We will definitely talk about it because the saga has continued on between Artem and Nikki Bella. And as usual, it's time to expose and definitely air the dirty laundry. Now, we know that there has been reports reported by TMZ stating that Artem wins the legal wins in the case. And also says here that there's no management, no anger management, and no supervised visitation. Let's see what the article says according to TMZ. It says he has walked away with his best case scenario following a 2-hour hearing in his Nikki Garcia divorce case. TMZ has learned also that the professional dancer and retired WWE star had a hearing Tuesday where the judge ordered the exes to share custody of their 4-year-old son, Matteo. Also says right here that this was certainly the outcome the Dancing with the Stars alum was hoping for. Also said that he was previously requested joint custody when he filed his divorce response back in September. Now we know that Nikki Bella originally just wanted sole custody. It made it seem like Artem was so unfitting to be a parent that she wanted, visitation and everything. But remember, Artem, he clapped back. It says that Nikki, on the other hand, sought sole custody, of course, requesting supervised visitation, as I said, and she wanted him to go to anger management classes. Also, it says that TMZ wrote the story that she was granted a restraining order. Remember, Nikki and Artem both had restraining orders against one another. And also said that she detailed that it was alleged, from a husband, but he had his own restraining order against Nikki. Let's see what else the article says. Back when he was arrested for DV in August, it says that the criminal charge would not be filed because there was ethically filed charges. There was no evidence. Let's see what more this article has to say. However, during this whole situation, the judge did order both Nikki and Artem to take parenting classes so they could better co-parent their son. Now, Nikki and Artem divorce trial is set for December. It will take place over the whole, let's see what the rest of the article says, over the course of 2 days. Also says right here that they made this be known as well. It said that Artem's attorney previously told TMZ that Artem denies ever attacking Nikki. And it also says, once again, we reached out to Nikki's right for comment. So far, no word back. I just find that interesting. Every time that Nikki wants to put down Artem, make him seem like a bad guy, she always puts him down in the media. But when Nikki lies are exposed, when she's called out for her nonsense, it's always her rep has no comment. Nikki wants her privacy at this time. She never wants to speak out and take accountability for her own actions. However, when it comes to Artem, you're quick to put him down. I just find that very interesting, and it has been going on since this whole divorce began between Nikki and Artem. I just find that very interesting. She never wants to comment when she's called out on her BS. Every time Artem is something bad with him, she's quickly to have a rep team say something bad about him. But let's see what else going on. Now, however, it says here, of course, Artem wins. He gets what he wants. So salute to Artem. I'm glad that he was able to get joint custody. I'm glad there's no supervised visitation, no anger management. The only class he do have to take is parenting classes that also Nikki has to take. It's called both parents take accountability as far as that goes. Now, however, there was some rumor, whatever, that Artem wanted to get back with Nikki. There was a report by US Weekly talking about this, saying that he wanted to reconcile with Nikki and all that. If you guys even heard about it, or if you do know about it, this is what
It's
they
just a
said.
few weeks between Artem and Nikki Garcia, but a source tells us that the Dancing with the Stars alum doesn't want their 2-year marriage to end. A source tells us in the new issue of the magazine, Artem has wanted to reconcile with Nikki. He doesn't want the family to be divided and would love to put this behind them. Sources tell us that the pair are both hurt and upset. Now, Nikki filed for divorce in September following his domestic violence arrest. The charges have been dropped. However, the former WWE superstar has no interest in getting back together.
Now, it says here that Nikki had no interest in getting back with Artem, but the whole false report was Artem wants to reconcile. I mean, let's be serious here. That's why I said it's always Nikki want to say something bad about Artem, make herself look good. It's always that situation here. Now, of course, they saying that, this is valid, but however, Artem did respond to these reports. It says here, Artem, he shuts down incorrect reports that he wants to reconcile with wife Nikki Garcia. Let's see what else Artem had to say about this whole rumor. And it says an exclusive statement to People, October 16th, the day after they went to court. He shut down reports and said the reporting that I want to reconcile with Nikki is incorrect. According to his attorney, he had no communication with his ex since early October. And we, of course, like I said the day before, they share custody and all that stuff. So, Nikki Bella, you really think this man wants you after everything you've done, everything you caused? You really think you deserve an opportunity to get back with Artem? Come on, you got to be kidding me.
You actually think you deserve a shot at this? You don't deserve buddy.
You don't deserve anything, Nikki. Your lies have been exposed. You first said that Artem was the aggressor in a relationship. That turned out to be wrong. Then you said that, she wanted to get supervised, visits. You want the visitation to be supervised. Say he needs anger management for what he's done. That ended up being lied to. I mean, at the end of the day, Artem gets justice for this whole thing. He gets justice for this whole thing. I mean, we gotta salute, like I said, to Artem for that. And it don't make no sense that it had to come down to this. Because like I said before, and I'll say it once again, I feel bad for Matteo because this is a toxic environment. Hopefully, this whole thing settles down between Nikki and Artem. But Nikki, she just seems like a little evil woman. She don't seem like she wants to keep peace. She always in some drama and want to go back and forth. So that's the whole thing I see with that. I mean, Nikki, you need to just give it up. Artem don't want you. You're divorced. You lied. You need to just give it up. Just give it up. It's done. And you need to move on.
Just put the fries in the bag, bro. You washed.
Yeah, you're washed. It's over, Nikki. So you need to stop that. And hopefully, like I said, things get more peaceful. They get the parenting classes and everything. And it's a better environment for their son. Because this couple that we saw was all lovey-dovey, once in love, is no more. There'll be no more of that. It went from being happy-go-lucky to being at war with one another. So that's what it comes down to, guys. And with that being said, that's all I have regarding Artem Chigvintsev Nabs legal wins in Nikki Bella divorce case. Artem wins the case. It proves Nikki wrong. Artem, cleared himself, and Nikki, your BS has been exposed. We see you for a liar that you really are. Now, you guys let me know in the comment section what you think of this whole situation. For people who saw that Artem was innocent, I'd like to see what you guys say. And for the Nikki Bella victims that still want to take up for Nikki despite being exposed, I'd like to hear what you got to say too. Soon to videos will pop up for this content here. Check out the content, guys. If there's any updates, we'll keep you updated here at the locker room. And as usual, you already know at this point, it is definitely OUT.
Me and Chris Benoit basically all started together, pretty much. You started a little bit earlier.
WWF, yeah, for sure, yeah.
But they pushed me to the moon, and they held you guys back. And we all started at the same time. We were wrestling each other. We were getting each other over, putting each other over. And I thought we were all going to kind of come up together. And it was like, you guys stayed behind. And it was like, what's going on?
Well, I mean, we definitely had to work harder because you already said it, Kurt. You already know the answer is that you were a WWE guy.